Have I been doing all this time for nothing?
Today we're testing a golf club polishing cream, and this is the club we're going to test it on.
3-in-1. Cleans, removes minor scratches, and polishes. Have I been doing all this time for nothing?
As a reference, we'll be using a club from the exact same set, but polishing it the old-fashioned way, with bench polishing wheels and compounds. This is the final result. And this is the club polished the old-fashioned way.
Well, it's safe to say that I'm not gonna stop going to the Shining Shack anytime soon.
If you do want to polish your clubs once in a while but don't want to buy heavy tools to do it, I suggest you buy a car paint repair kit. For a similar price, you'll get the proper compounds, pads, and tools to do so. I'll leave some links in the description below. I did only try this one cream. Maybe I didn't buy the right one, maybe there's better quality ones. Hit me up in the comments if you'd like me to compare multiple creams.
If you like this video, hit subscribe. It helps a whole lot.
A lot.
And I'll be back very shortly.